Alright, these are the elevators here at the Hotel Monterrey Macroplaza in Monterrey, Mexico. And we have, this one came down here already. So I'm just gonna let this person go. Or nobody's in here, good. And here you got the cab view. Let's go up to 9. 8. 8 is the highest we can go. Door close button works. It's a Otis 2000 VF installed in 1998. And right there's the key card sensor, which does not work. Here at 8. And the braille number 6 is missing. The S, we're not going to be able to go down to the S. PV works. The S button, the parking level button isn't working. So I think we're gonna go on ride. Let's get your cab view. We like this Otis 2000 VF elevator. Here are the fixers. There's the indicator, and that thing is messed up here at PB. And up there's Big Brother. Let me just try to send this. We're gonna try to get the other one if we can. Whoa, door's trying to close on me. So we're gonna try to let this one go now and get this one. All right, we're getting this car now. Make sure no one's. All right, same cab. Oh, we can go up to the last floor, 9, very cool. And this one is much better than the other one because on top of, below the indicator, that thing is messed up. Just zoom it in. It's a little shaky. Here at 9 again. All right. Parking level is locked, so instead we're going back down to PB. The button's taking a while to respond. Alright, anyways, let's get your cab view. Such your nice Otis 2000 VF elevator. And look at the mirror. Hey. Right here are the fixtures. Whoa, it's a little shaky. And right there's the indicator, and right there's Big Brother again. Here I'm back at PB. Alright. Here we made it back to the lobby now. There it goes, and that's it.